Tony Gwynn. Now, I do like these cards, although I don't know if I would send these in for a grading because the centering on them can be rough. So if you're a PSA collector, yeah, you're not going to get a 10 on most of these, I don't think. Hey there, y'all. Bunkle here. Hope you've been having a great day. Hope every day is a blessed day for you and y'all. So I got here this cool box. These are Hills Team MVPs made by Topps for Hills. These are Topps baseball cards, 1989, 33 super gloss photo cards, collector's edition. Yeah. Okay, and there goes, let's see, it was $1.97 when it came out. That's pretty cool. Lots of great players you can find. Look at that. Wade Boggs, George Brett, Canseco, Clemens, Conehead, Eckersley, Gwynn, Hershiser. Who else? Crime Dog. Got Dale Murphy. Got Eddie Murray. Got Kirby Puckett. So lots and lots and lots of great players from the 80s. These are the team MVPs. Just another oddball baseball card set from the 1980s that you may not know about. And you know what? As a player collector or a Hall of Famer collector, not bad and very inexpensive addition to your collection. I mean, some decent looking cards. See that? It's got the Hills logo, got the Topps logo down there, the name in like a flaggy thing down there. That's pretty cool. And a good semi-action during a game shot. That's absolutely cool. This is what the backs look like. That green is like mind-numbing, and got the previous year and the major league totals and a little bit of a blurb about them and their personal stuff there. And let's see, I don't think they come in order because this is card 32 of 33 and it was up on top. So did I leave anything in the box? Nope. So yeah, as I was saying, if you're a player collector or a Hall of Famer collector, another great little set to pick up. And you know what? You have some cards that you can put into your collection and other cards that who knows what you're going to do with. But I do think it's something that should be considered. Got Dave Winfield there, as I mentioned. Dennis Eckersley. Oral Hershiser. Oh, there we go. I almost fell off the chair. Johnny Ray. Frankie V. Minnesota Twins. Dave Stewart. Great pitcher with the A's. Got Crime Dog McGriff. Fred McGriff there. Very cool. Tom Brunansky with the Cardinals. Glenn Davis. Now, he was definite power hitter back then. Player that everybody was watching, I think. Eddie Murray, of course. I mean, Eddie Murray is Eddie Murray. Kirk Gibson. Ruben Sierra. Got George Brett. Awesome. This is when he was playing first base towards the end of his career. Very cool. Got Tony Gwynn. Now, I do like these cards, although I don't know if I would send these in for a grading because the centering on them can be rough. So if you're a PSA collector, yeah, you're not going to get a 10 on most of these, I don't think. Unless that's how the centering's supposed to go, but I don't think so. Andre Galarraga. Jose Canseco. A nice card of Canseco there. Kind of an action-ish type shot. I wonder if he's about to steal second. Got David Cone. In action pitch right there. Very nice. Now, David Cone I actually really liked when he was with the Yankees. Of course, you know, being a Yankee fan and all. And I remember when he went to the Red Sox, my thought when he was facing, and the Yankees could have kept him but didn't, and he ended up with the Red Sox. And I remember my thoughts was, I hope he has the best game of his career and loses 1-0. Got Joe Carter, Roger Clemens, Robin Yount. You got Kirby Puckett. Let him strike out 26 Yankees, but let that last one be a home run, you know? Mike Greenwell, Wade Boggs. That's a great card for the Wade Boggs collector. Andy Van Slyke, Darryl Strawberry. Got Danny Jackson doing a stretch, working out the arm muscles before pitching, I guess. Dale Murphy, great player, should be Hall of Famer. Juan Samuel, and the gloss on these cards is really nice also. It's not overpowering gloss, but you could definitely feel it. Got Harold Baines, Mark Langston, Andre Dawson, Will Clark, and we're wrapping it up with Alan Trammell. So all in all, pretty cool set for, I don't know what kind of store Ames was back then, if they were a drugstore kind of like Walgreens or Rite-Aid or CVS or whatever else was around that time, or if they were like a Woolworths, a five and dime type store or something like that. But a lot of stores had, and this is Hills actually, not Ames. I don't know why I mixed that up. But a lot of the stores back then, they had these individual sets that were made for them. The Woolworths sets were very well known. I remember seeing those as a kid, teenager. The Walgreens ones, I believe I saw, but I don't remember. But the Woolworths one, I definitely remember seeing. But yeah, definitely a great little set to pick up to add to your player collection or Hall of Famer collection. And I would say you could probably find one really cheap on eBay, $5-6, maybe less. I mean, I'm sure that you could, if you really dig and wait, you could probably find one for a couple bucks, a couple dollars plus shipping or whatever. I picked this all up as an oddball set lot and a whole mess of them. So I figured I'd share a little bit about what I picked up with y'all. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments what you think about this set. Thanks much for watching. I appreciate you commenting, liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell button for more interesting content, or who knows what I'm going to do next. I don't even know. Anyway, y'all take care. Stay well. Stay blessed. Bonkle out.